The Enterprise Edition is a powerful solution for QuickBooks. It's intended to be an upgrade from the Professional, Premier, or the Industry solutions. You will note that you can have up to 20 simultaneous users within QuickBooks. The Enterprise Edition allows you to purchase these licenses in increments of 5. You'll also note that you can have 100,000 items entered into Enterprise. Depending on what the combination of items are, you can actually have much more than that. You will also note that throughout Enterprise there are additional features. For instance, there is a menu called Accountant that has Managed Fixed Assets and a Financial Statement Designer. Customers has a section on Marketing and Customer Tools. Employees has an Employee Organizer. And the reports allow you to combine them from multiple companies and process multiple reports. Now please keep in mind that the intent of this movie is not to teach you Enterprise, but to show you an overview of Enterprise. You will quickly see that Enterprise itself is a full class. Let's talk about a few of the features. First, let's talk about the fixed assets. Now this particular module, along with a few others, takes a few moments to load. As a result, I've actually opened it up on the bottom of my screen. Here you will note that I can get a full listing of each asset, when I bought it, when I acquired it, what my depreciation is, and the actual basis and cost. Being able to see this allows us to keep a very simple balance sheet, but yet have a very detailed combination for not only taxes, but for our insurance company. Another feature is the Financial Statement Designer. Now this is also found on the Reports menu. The Financial Statement Designer allows us to customize any statement or any report. If I go to the balance sheet, for instance, and just double-click on the prior year, you'll notice that my statement is opening. When it opens, you'll see that you have an Excel type of spreadsheet layout. If I wish to delete an account, I can simply select it and I can hit delete. If I'd like to change my column properties, my accounts, my cells, or my rows, all of it can be customized. I can even choose to have some accounts show all of their detail while others show just a little bit. The power of the Statement Designer is extreme. It really allows the customization that we often look for inside of QuickBooks. You'll notice that the Financial Statement Designer allows you to save your changes. This, of course, gives you a brand new report. Let's close out of the Financial Statement Designer and let's now go to the Employees. Within Employees, you will note that the Organizer allows us to see our new hires, lets us set up raises and promotions, and even allows us to get regulation updates from the government. In our Customer section, you will notice that the Marketing and Customer Tools will allow us to take advantage of the e-commerce and to establish actual tools. In our Company file, you will see under Users that our actual security is much more enhanced. Notice rather than just setting up users, I can also set up roles. The concept here is very similar to what we do in networking. We'll set up areas or groups. Within these actual groups, we will give all of the items they can see. Now notice that it's very detailed for what we can do in each individual area. If I go into the company file, I'm seeing all of my menu items and what I can do in each area. If you require strong security within your books, consider the Enterprise Edition. You'll quickly notice that you can set up security for every single area within QuickBooks. The Enterprise Edition is packed with all these special types of tools. I've only touched upon just a few. Wanted to give you an idea of what Enterprise is all about. When it's time to upgrade, you may wish to keep it in mind.